In this video, I want to talk about how you can use the short position tool inside of TradingView. Now, this is really easy if you want to sell, so if you want to make a short position. And how to do this is you want to find this one right here, and you want to go to the drop-down menu and select short position. Now, short position basically just means that you expect the price to go down, and if it goes down, you're going to make money. So to use this one, you want to click wherever you want to make the buying at. So let's say you want to do the buying at, let's just do 210, just so it's easier for you guys to see. So let's put it right here. And then what this means right here is that once price reaches here, it's going to take profit. If it reaches here, it's going to close the trade. So click on this one, and then you can drag on these. So let's say you want to make this one right here. You want it to be bought at this price. So as soon as it hits this price, it's gonna buy your order. If it reaches here, it's gonna stop it. If it reaches here, it's gonna take your profit. Now to actually make this into an order, you want to right click on it, create limit order, and then you just want to press sell. Now as you can see, it's already filled out everything, depending on where we put this. But if you change this, if you change it like this, then you need to create a new order. So you need to do this again before this changes. But that's basically how it works, guys. Just quickly to summarize it, this is gonna be where you buy at. So this is your buy price, this is your stop loss, and this is your take profit. So that is how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.